Right, so in the last video I showed you how to edit some mistakes. In this video I'm going to show you how to, once you've got lots of different tracks on, how to control the volume so you can hear each one that you want to hear. If you want one louder than the other or one quieter, you can balance it out nice and easily. Right, so we'll record a few bits and pieces first. I've got my organ from my last track. I'm just going to record a little song. Let's just make one up. Right, I'll make the tempo a bit quicker. Oops. Oop. There we go. Right, let's press record. Okay, little chord sequence there. Now, just like on Microsoft Word and whatever else, you can copy and paste stuff. So you can click on that, you can press Ctrl-C on the keyboard and click to where you want it to go and press Ctrl-V, and you can also drag it about and get it to actually stick in place. Okay, so that's sorted, that's there. Okay, now if like me, it kind of just hovers about and you can get like overlapping, there's a button here called Snap. So you click on that and it kind of snaps it to each bar, so you can't have it in between the bar. So if I go back to the beginning, or I'll play it from bar 4 and see how it sounds. And it's nice in time. Okay, so that's one track. Now you add some more tracks. I'll show you how to balance the sound. So we'll go through and add an instrument track. You can add one there, Harley and Sonic. Click on this thing, choose your sound. I'm going to choose a bass guitar. Make some kind of like weird funk music here. So electric bass with played with your fingers. Double click it. We should have a nice bass guitar sound. Okay, there we go. Right, so let's change this to bass guitar, and then we'll get recording another part. Let's get back to the beginning. Show clicks on, pre-count on, and here we go. Now, I've already made a mistake. Was it on purpose? Was it by accident? Who knows? Right, now I'll show you how to fix it. Double click it. I can see, I can zoom it in a bit using this little bit at the bottom. I've played a wrong note somewhere about. Let's have a listen and find out. I know that needs to be an F here, so I'll just click on the note, make sure it's not an F sharp, F, and that one can go up to a G. I know that's about right, I think. Let's have a listen. From the beginning would be helpful. Now it needs to be 2 Fs. And I'm going to use my pencil tool to write in a G. So you got G and G again. Now let's have a listen. Close the window. That sounds about right. Let's copy it. Ctrl-C. Ctrl-V and line it up. Same again. Same again. Now I've copied it over the top of one that exists already. Now that's where you get these little crosses across the top of it. Cross hatching. Okay? You just click. You just drag it off. You can see like kind of the shadow of it following it. So let's have a listen from the beginning and see if these are all in time. Sounds good to me. Okay, so I'll add a little let's add a saxophone in. So right click, add instrument track, select Harley and Sonic, add track, click on here, choose your sound. Let's go for woodwind, saxophone. Let's go for this one here, see what that sounds like. Sounds pretty good. So close the window, we've got it there. Let's change that to alto saxophone. There we go. And we'll just play around. I'll improvise something using that blues scale that some of you in year 8 might have learnt already. And we'll press record. Okay, done. Now, let's have a listen back to it all. Now, you might think, I think the organ is a bit too loud. So all I can do is on your keyboard, you've got some like F keys right across the top above the numbers. If you press F3, it brings up this mixer. Right now at the bottom, you can see you've got organ, bass guitar, saxophone, and they're all currently set. These sliders, look like a bit like a mixing desk, are all set at the same. Now to make it quieter, obviously you click on organ, you just drag it down. At the top you've still got your play bar, so you can go back to the beginning, press play. And if you think it needs to be a little bit louder, just fade it up again, have a listen again. Back to the beginning. Now sounds a bit nicer. You've got the saxophone just a bit louder than the bass. Bass is quite loud because it's low, it needs to be heard. Then the organ, it's quite a loud instrument, cuts through, so it needs to be a bit quieter. Okay, and I've set that nice and easy. So if I press F3, gets you back to here. But wait, where's my play and pause button gone? To get that back, you press F2. Okay, F2 to get that back, F3 to get into the mixer. F2 for that, alright? And that's how you set that up. So, when you need to record stuff, if you're writing your own music, to add your tracks, you just right click in this part. You know how to record stuff, you know how to fix stuff, and you know how to balance the sound of the tracks out. So, that's basically all you need to know for what you need to use it for at this point. Okay? So, enjoy.